Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another haul, and in today's haul we have some things from Aliexpress and Shein. So the first thing that I received was these iridescent butterflies, and I thought they were super cute, so I'm like, why not? And you get quite a nice amount of product. So you have that. Then you also get not that you get, but I also purchased this, which is just a mix of different shape sequences and stuff. So you have mixed hearts, snowflakes, you got Christmas mixes with like stars and snowflakes along with hexagons. You got stars, some more iridescent snowflakes, and more stars. So this is really cute. I really liked this in particular. I thought you could do a lot, and you know, you could do a lot of different stuff with this, so why not? And by the way guys, thank you so much for sticking around and being here and still supporting my channel. I really appreciate all my OGs and my currently new subscribers. Thank you so much. None of this would be possible without you, so I'm very appreciative of that. And honestly, I hadn't filmed in like 3 days, I think it was, because I just honestly was not in the mood to film. But yeah, here today I decided to film for you all, and here we have some neon, like different shapes. We have some butterfly neon mix, some little numbers, I believe so. We have sparkle stars, butterflies, more hearts, flowers. I just thought this was really pretty. Honestly, I thought this was super cute. Just a variety of it all. Very nice. Yeah, I just had not been in the mood lately. Yeah, I've just been really like thrown off with my channel. I was so thrown off by my channel because I know this sounds very like materialistic or whatever, but I have a really big passion for like nail art and stuff, or just nail stuff in general. So like every day or almost every day, I really look forward to like receiving packages and, you know, just opening up things and this and that and the third. And I think it was like 3 days ago that one of the people who live in my same building actually stole some packages from me. And tell me how I have evidence, because I have a Ring camera and the cops do absolutely nothing because they don't care. Beautiful, isn't it? This is such a beautiful iridescent orange. That was really nice. So yeah, tell me how the cops don't care. They said they couldn't do anything about it. Mind you, I have pictures and proof, and I know the person. Nothing was done, didn't matter. Person got away with it. They live right across on the other side of the building, and my package just got stolen. So I don't know, I just got, you know, I guess since that had never happened to me in so many years of living here, I don't know, I just got really like upset about the whole situation. I got like really thrown off and just so discouraged about everything, because it's just really, sometimes it's just really disappointing the way people behave. So yeah, I was just very discouraged, and I'm just very sad about the whole situation, you know. The only reason why I was really sad about it was because, first of all, like I mentioned, I do tend to receive a lot of packages and all that. And the other reason why I was really upset and sad about it was because, you know, for Christmas, my boyfriend, he got a pair of shoes that he has been wanting. Those pair of shoes probably since we met. And mind you, it's been 5 years, so, well, about to be 5 years this month. And they're very rare to find, those type of shoes that he wanted. So, you know, it's just sad and how ironic the day that, you know, they come in and he finally orders something for himself, those shoes get stolen and they cost money. I don't know, sometimes life just, I know it's just a package, and it's like, I know it's just like a package or whatever, and it's just things, but like people work for those things, you know, like we work hard for whatever it is that we choose to have or purchase. Like, I could understand if it was somebody from the outside, but someone who lives literally like in the same building complex, like, wow, you're literally caught on camera. The cops don't give a damn. And that's what I was really upset about. I'm like, wow, the cops really are good for nothing. Like, yeah. Anyways, enough of that, because I don't want this video to be negative. I want it to be just a positive video, but I'm just letting you guys know as to why I didn't really feel like filming. But yeah, trust me guys, Miami is not the place you want to be. Everybody here is rude, disrespectful, everybody has an attitude problem. Definitely not the place you want to be. Super expensive to live anywhere in Miami. It's just not somewhere you want to be. Well, at least that's my opinion. But yeah, so anyways, next we're moving on to these. These are really really beautiful. I think I had purchased like 3 of these, and they come with a lot. So here we have different Christmas mixes, like Christmas glitter mixes, and this is what they look like. They're so nice. Absolutely love these. They were so nice. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a beautiful start of your week or midweek. Okay, so next we have these that are really nice as well. And I'm sorry, I didn't really know if I like showed the same stuff on this one over and over because I wasn't really keeping track. But here we have these. These are Rhombuses, I believe, and they're in different colors. Some of them, we have a mixed pattern as well, which is nice. So here we have like an iridescent one, and you get quite a lot of nice product. I believe it's like 4-gram containers. Then we also have these blue ones. And a variety of different ones as well. I would probably like incorporate this in like a glitter mix or something like that. Next we have these black iridescent or hollow, no, yeah, they're black hollow sparkles, and I thought these are really cute. I thought they were really nice, so I got those. I got some mattes. The matte that I have now is like a lighter pink. I do get these stencil bibs from Amazon, but I did pick some up from Shein, so they're like more of a hotter pink. They do like incorporate 20, and then of course you could never have enough of your standard butterflies. So these are some really cute ones, different colors. Then we are also moving on to these right here. Okay, so we have some here. Whoa, these definitely come packed, by the way. And they're so nice. I really like these. They're like different colored, I mean different sized, what do you call that? Different size circles. And iridescent. I really like these, and you get a variety of color. And they are filled to the top, so I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. I have all these colors. They're really pretty. Next we have some more like glitter shapes, and they're like a mix of Christmas ones, and they're really pretty as well. Next we have some white butterflies, and they're like sheer. I really like that. They're very pretty. I love the style cut of these butterflies. I think they're beautiful. So I got those. I got some more silver hollow sparkles. I can never have enough glitter. I got some pink iridescent sparkles. I love like sparkles like this. I think they're so pretty. You get a great amount for $1. I mean, you cannot go wrong. And then I absolutely love these pastel mixed iridescent butterflies. I think they are stunning. Let's see what time it is. Okay. Then next we have some black butterflies as well. Absolutely beautiful. Oh wow, so these are just like different glitter shapes, and they're a mix of a lot of stuff, and I thought these were really pretty. I might open one of them. I think I want to open this one right here. So this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute. And you got this one, and then you got that one. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. Just love how there's a mixture of so much going on. I think that's really pretty. Oh, and by the way, thank you so much to all the Etsy orders I've been receiving. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot when people order for me. Thank you for showing support. I really appreciate it. You know, I was thinking, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it, but I was thinking of bringing like press-ons back on my Etsy shop, and maybe doing like Kawaii press-ons, like really nice ones or something like that. Or I was also thinking of creating like monthly or like not monthly but like seasonal press-ons. Like for the winter time right now, I was thinking of creating really nice winter press-ons. I was also thinking of coming up with like a little bundle, like a Christmas bundle. I don't know, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. But yeah, I have some ideas, but like I had mentioned to you guys, I honestly have kind of just been away from my setup, so now I'm just going back into the rhythm again. These are really pretty. I really like these, like the neon. I really like neon. It's so cute. And then next we also get these, which I have shown already. I think I have like 3 or 4 of these. They're only $1, and I really love these. So they're flowers with the cutouts as well, and I thought they were really nice. So I said, oh, why not? And you get a good amount. Get a nice amount there. Nice to have some more sparkles. I appreciate the packaging and no spillage, so that's definitely a good thing. Do that. So here we have these pink sparkles, we have silver sparkles, multicolored sparkles, green sparkles, purple sparkles, and then we also have these other shade of purple and blue. So I thought those were cute. And then lastly, we have a box of flowers. from Aliexpress. So before I show you the rest, I just want to show you some stuff I got from Aliexpress. So what came in is these like these are silicone molds, and I really have an obsession with just collecting these and using them and creating charms. I really have a lot of fun doing that. So here we have some kittens, we have some bears, and then we also have some hearts. So yeah, those were like the ones that came in, but I did order a bunch. These are my videos, but just in case you didn't watch the previous video, I did go ahead. These I actually created off camera, so I didn't like record that, but I did create these on camera. Right here, like there's different sweets and some more sweets, and then I also made these cookies, but these I did like make off camera, and I just want to show you them up close. I tried my best, but I thought they're really cute, so I'm just gonna quickly show you. These were the ones that I had made off camera. So this is actually supposed to be a teddy bear, but since it's like that, you can't really tell, but that's like a teddy bear. We have like the Barbie, and we have Chanel's. So yeah. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I appreciate you all. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item or items in today's haul. Thank you once again for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.